What's up, guys? So back at a spot that you've seen me before. We're doing a little fishing. It's hot. It's been really hot. We just got some good rain the other night. I don't know what that's going to do to the river. Looking for smallmouth. I got some new hellgrammites in that I ordered. I'll show you those. So we're going to be throwing ultralight reel and rod with some soft plastic hellgrammites. Looking for smallies today in southern lower Michigan. And we'll see what the river has to throw at us. I mean, it's been really low, like unnaturally low water levels, warm temperatures. There's a few other cars here, so I don't know. Hopefully everybody's not all stacked up here. We'll have a little room to fish, but let's get out there, let's get after it. And for those of you who are here for shooting stuff and that sort of thing, there'll be more of those videos coming soon, but today we're going fishing. All right, so here it is. They are natural colored hellgrammites by Lures by Hand. Found them on Etsy. Paid $5.50 plus shipping. So let's see how they do. We're gonna throw them on a number 4 Aberdeen and take them out. There's a bunch of fish over there jumping around. I can see them. Wonder if they're gonna show up on camera. Little guys though, unfortunately. It appears. Yeah, wonder what they are. Real small. They're just going nuts over there. Literally small fry. Hey, he just tried to hit it. Man, am I glad the mosquito level has been low this year. Low mosquito, you know what I'm saying? Try to get some up into this eddy back here. Thought I saw the line pick up. Oh, that should be it. If there's any back there, they're going to be right there. There's a smallmouth. Holy crap, that was nuts. Did you guys see that? I hope that was on camera. Oh my God, he absolutely obliterated it. I thought he took it back under the log. He's so small, but oh, that was the most legit. That was the most legit thing. And I forgot my net too. Literally, that was the most legit thing. That blow up was sick. That blow up was amazing. Come here, bud. Oh my God. Oh shit, I got my line wrapped around the camera. That blow up was the most legit thing. Wow. That was super cool. Wow. Look at that fat chub. He's so small, but he's so feisty. Wow, that blow up was sweet. Oh, bud. That was sweet. I better be recording. I'll be so upset. Anybody else ever get wigged out about what's under the water that you can't see? Sometimes that just kind of freaks me out, man. It's freaking me out, man. It's gonna get real shallow up here. The question is, do I want to wade all the way to the other side or not? I don't think I do. Fish. I was doubting it for a second, but it's a fish. Another tiny smallie. He really messed up my hellgrammite this time. Wow, he's just driving this rod down. Just driving it. Look at that. Wow. Come here, bud. He is absolutely driving this rod. Come here, boss. There we go. Check that out. That is gorgeous Smallie. Let's release. And release. Yes. Oh, that was another fish. Are you kidding? That was definitely another fish. I saw it. That was sweet. This reel feels like it's gonna like grind itself apart here. This area just doesn't feel right. I know you can't see it on camera, but bank composition changed. Stopped feeling fishy, you know? I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Just me being dumb. All right, we're gonna fish this last corner and we're gonna call it good. Should be a decent spot. Oh, that was a fish for sure. No. Oh my God, my reel is like unusable. Oh, that's because it's wrapped around the pole. All right, I don't think I got much hook in him, so let's see, maybe he'll take it again. Man, I knew there was gonna be a fish in there too. There he is. I don't even know what that is. What? Look at this. Look at that. That is a pretty fish. Wow, he got a piece of that too. Look how much of that hook he got in his mouth. Gorgeous fish. Told you there was a fish there. You gonna go, bud? Oh, there he goes. All right, see you later, friend. Wow, I can just barely see him under that log down there. He just disappeared. He's right there. Wow. Let's try one more. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Nothing. Okay. All right, friends. You say so. That was a decent cast right up into the shallow weeds there. Halfway surprised there wasn't a fish there. All right, we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna wrap it up. All right, so started off real bad. I gotta be honest with you. Absolutely nothing forever, and then I got up in here into some of this shallow stuff, and the fish started coming out. Some really, really, really pretty little smallmouth, and that one panfish. I don't. To be honest with you, I don't know what kind of fish that was. So if you do, leave a comment. Tell me what kind of fish that was. Gorgeous little panfish. Like a sunfish or something, some sort. But there's a lot of those that I don't know the species that well, so probably some species I don't know. But he was pretty. I hope that turns out on camera. Lures by hand. Lures by hand, pretty good. Turned out good. They're a little more like translucent and like watermelony than I thought they were gonna be, but that's not bad. I was expecting like a black, because hellgrammites are pretty black. But this is a little grayish, but didn't seem to slow them down. See a guy down here fly fishing. If you like the fishing videos, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Not a ton of big fish, but some really fun blow-ups, some gorgeous little smallies. Nice night to be out here. So we'll see you next time.